welcome to my channel. I'm Anastasia Orshak. Today we're gonna carry on talking about the Russian language and Russian phrases that you will have to use in a conversation. So let's get started. Как тебя зовут is the first phrase that we're gonna look over today. We say this phrase when we meet somebody for the first time, and it means "what's your name" in English. Do you remember my last lesson on Russian? Then you should remember the difference between «привет» and «здравствуйте». And there is one more rule that you should know. There are actually two ways of saying you in Russian. The first way is «ты». We say «ты» to our friends, classmates, and in general to our peers. The second way of saying you in Russian is «вы». We say «вы» as a sign of respect to people who are older than we are or to people who work in public places such as libraries, hospitals, restaurants, and so on. Now remember, then when we're kids or teenagers, it's okay to say to our peers whom we don't know «ты» and to start a conversation with «как тебя зовут». But when you're an adult, you always should say «вы» to strangers, even if you know that this stranger is at the same age as you are. You can associate this rule with one common Russian phrase. It's «давайте на ты», which means that one person suggests another person to stop being so formal. And it's also a sign that friendship or relationship between these two people gets warmer and closer. «Откуда ты» is the next phrase that we say when we just start chatting with somebody. This question means «where are you from?». Do you know how to answer this question? Now I'm gonna show you how. For instance, «Я из России». Я из Китая. Я из Японии. Сколько тебе лет? I guess it's one of the most popular phrases in the Russian language. This means how old are you? To answer this question, you just should say мне blank лет. For example, мне 15 лет, а ему 50 лет. А ей вообще всего лишь 6 месяцев. When you know where your friend is from and how old he is, it's time to learn each other a bit better. You can say «какие у тебя интересы» or «какие у тебя хобби». These questions are similar to English «what hobbies do you have» or «what are you interested in». Now listen to the dialects and learn how to answer these questions. A dialect number 1. Какие у тебя хобби? Я люблю читать. Я занимаюсь спортом. Мне нравится рисовать. A dialect number 2. Какие у тебя интересы? Мне интересна наука. Я интересуюсь философией. Do you remember that I talked a lot about phrases that Russians say almost all the time in daily conversation? And the next phrase is the phrase that everybody says almost every day. And it's «что нового?». This question obviously means what's new in English. It's appropriate to say «что нового» if you already know a person. But please don't start a conversation with a stranger with «что нового?», because you don't know his past to inquire about his present. And the last but not the least phrase for today is «что ты об этом думаешь?», which means «what do you think about it?». There are actually many ways to answer this question. Now take a look at the examples. Что ты об этом думаешь? Я считаю, что это очень крутая идея. Я думаю, у тебя ничего не получится. Я думаю, что это отличный план. Я считаю, что это очень плохо. Hey, что ты думаешь о моем видео? Write your answer in Russian in the comments below. I hope my video was useful for you. If it was, please let me know and subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to like this video and follow me on social nets. All the links in the description box below. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye. To ask about his future. New tense, future. Use it. Yeah, future. Future simple. Okay.